This is the story of the Little Red Hen. Once upon a time there were 4 friends who lived on a farm: a hen, a pig, a cat, and a rat. One day the hen found some seeds. She went to the cat and said, "Will you help me plant these seeds?"
"Not I,"
said the cat. Next the hen went to his friend the rat and said, "Will you help me plant these seeds?" "Not I," said the rat. "I know," said the hen. "I'll go to the pig," and said, "Will you help me plant these seeds?"
"Not I,"
said the pig. "Then I will plant them myself," said the hen, and off she went. The hen planted the seeds. She raked the land. She watered the soil. "Oh, this is hard work," she said to herself. But very soon the wheat was ready for cutting. It was a very hot afternoon on the farm, and most of the animals were fast asleep. The hen went to the pig, who looked very sleepy. "Will you help me cut the wheat?" she said.
"Not I,"
said the pig. The hen decided to ask the cat. She found the cat with the rat. They were getting ready for a long nap. "Will you help me cut the wheat?" she said.
"Not I,"
said the cat. "Then I will do it myself," said the hen, and off she went. The hen cut the wheat and brought it back to the barn kitchen. She was going to make some bread. The fresh smell of bread woke the animals, and they all crept into the barn. The busy hen was pleased to see her friends, and she asked the animals, "Who will help me eat this bread?"
"I will,"
said the pig. "We will," said the cat and the rat. The hen was very kind-hearted and shared the bread, and her friends, well, they were so happy that she shared the food. They promised to always help her.